Okay, we're at Scott's today across the street, and John, our sheep shearing buddy, is coming over for the sheep's annual shear. The sheep at my house are all hair sheep, so they don't need to be sheared because they will shed on their own. So we have some animals in here and animals in the barn, just waiting for him to come, and then it's haircut time. What's going on in here? Haircut day. Haircut day. No. You're not coming out. You're getting a haircut. You're getting a haircut. You're going to feel so much better, Shelby. It's going to feel so good. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out. Look out. Oh, we got you guys in here too. Oh, hey Bruce, what's up, buddy? You ready for a haircut?
Dad, I like this shirt too.
It's okay, don't worry. Everything can be washed. All right. So what's the plan, Scott?
Corn is stuck to the walls of the bin, and I've either got to shake the trailer.
So we have a recruit.
I never signed up for this.
Yeah, well, you know what? That's what farm life's all about.
There's a little light in there for you and everything.
Okay, we're at Scott's. Today's sheep shearing day, and the corn is stuck, so he's recruited James to go up there. So we're going to attempt this before his mom comes over.
Okay.
This is a very important job, James.
That's it.
I can come up if you need me.
I don't want to. What we're going to do is, I'm just going to sit you on the ledge. Put your feet in. Okay. All right.
And he's gone.
I'm trying to get the corn that's not sliding to slide down in there. If you just walk along the top edges of the corn, most of it will move on its own, I think. Yeah, like that.
There you go.
When you were a kid, would you walk along these beams?
Would I? Probably not. It's like you're a coal miner. That's why they used to get kids like you to work all day, James.
Yeah, plus you don't have any rights.
Yeah.
Too many lights. No, I bet there's no mice in there.
There is.
There is?
Yeah, one down into that trough, and now it's beneath the trough.
No, it's gone. Okay, hand me the shovel and we'll pull you out of there.
What?
Hand me the shovel and we'll pull you out of there.
You think that's good?
That's good enough for now. It's gonna get too hard. If it doesn't slide, it's too hard to. No. What?
Good work, buddy.
Sorry. I don't know, that's too much for one arm.
Oh, he's strong enough now. How was that, James? We need an update. How'd that go?
Not the way I wanted it to go.
No?
Thank you for that.
Matt's doing that next time, not me.
Can you imagine me trying to get in and out of that hole? Who's gonna pull me up? 300 pounds of me.
You got any corn in there?
What do you think?
So how many sheep did you shear yesterday?
213.
Wow.
Yep.
How long did that take?
About 8-9 hours.
Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, we shore like 1,000, and then the day before, no, 700, and the day before 1,000.
Wow.
Well, I got the alpaca in here, and then I got, we only have, I think, 6 sheep total, and they're all here.
Oh, you're a doll. A doll.
So were you in Australia or New Zealand in the winter?
Yeah, I was in Australia and New Zealand.
So how many sheep do you figure you sheared?
Oh, 20,000
Wow.
maybe. Yeah.
Sheared, yeah.
Falklands this winter.
Okay. Really? That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Bugger for sitting down.
Yeah.
You see it, Jerry, or no? Yeah, that's it. Times you might be okay.
Oh, yeah, just relax, baby.
John, we're hoping you can give the kids a haircut after.
Yeah.
No.
Cheaper, right?
Yeah.
Well, more fun.
Yeah.
More fun to watch.
Oh yeah.
You know what we're doing, don't you?
Actually, it's forming like a cow. I almost forgot that.
John's here now doing the alpaca, Reese. And then 2 stalls in the barn are full of all the sheep. Get them all sheared, they'll feel a lot better. But it's always fun to have John up. He does this professionally. The Falkland Islands, New Zealand, Australia, all over the world in the winter. Comes back to Canada and then shears in Canada during the summer.
There, baby.
Oh yeah, they'll be getting it for now.
How you feel?
Yeah.
Bees and stuff, maybe even make it a
Oh, look at that. Ooh, nice little rump on it.
Yeah. How do you feel, Reese?
The goat you can tell is when they start to get loose.
Sheep time.
Yeah.
The shitty back ends.
Hey guys, what's going on? How you doing? Good day to be a lamb. Oh, you guys might get haircuts too.
Just leave it come. I'm good. I do this for a living.
Nice catch. All right, Cupcake. This is not Dawn soap. This is ivermectin. Might be familiar with that from COVID. Anyways, we put this on the animals for parasites, deworming. Put a little bit on their back after they get sheared. Keeps them nice and healthy.
Why do you put that on top?
How do you feel, Bruce? How do you feel, buddy? Yeah, it's wool. Go, James. You can go do it. Okay?
Don't waste it. Quick,
A bit more. A bit more. Well, not on John. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Oh, did it? So, Mom, what are your thoughts on the ram's testicles?
Oh, I just feel so sorry for them. They're so large and heavy.
It's natural, though.
They must kind of drag on the ground. Didn't you say they had a callus on them?
Ball callus.
Oh, it's a jungle out there.
It is. Millie, how you doing? You having fun?
Yes.
So, John, how'd it go?
Good.
Yeah?
All happy sheep.
How many was that? Was that 8 or 9?
8 or 9.
Okay. And
And an alpaca.
did you have any more shearing to do today?
Yes, I got like 5 stops.
5 more stops. Busy time of year.
Oh yeah, all
I did
little ones.
10.
Yeah. Well, thanks for doing that.
Yeah, no worries.
It's always a highlight.
10.
Thanks for having me.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, drop us a comment, and give us a like. Thanks again.